Good morning, class. So, yesterday we have discussed about the business environment. Okay, beta. We have also seen some characteristics of business environment in previous class. Today we will see what are the importance of business environment. Okay, business environment का क्या importance होता है? So, the understanding and awareness of business environment is must for every businessman, as ignorance about business environment can throw the businessman out from the market. Proper understanding and awareness about the business environment bring lots of benefits for businessmen, and these benefits are okay. Now, if you want to survive in the market, then you will have to be aware about the business environment, and if you are aware about the business environment, then what will be the advantage you will gain? First advantage is enables the firm to identify opportunity and getting the first mover advantage. Okay, beta. First is what are the business opportunities available in the market. If you have good knowledge about the market, then only you will be able to gain what are the opportunities available in the market. And second thing, which you will get the advantages of first mover. Okay, for example, in 4G, first company was Reliance, okay, or Jio. So after it, and there are many more companies who entered in the market, but still most of the shares are captured by the Jio company. Why? Because it was the first company to introduce or launched 4G in the market. Okay, so this is the meaning of taking the advantages of first mover. Okay, the second advantage is help the firm to identify the threats and early warning signals. Okay, if there is any threat which is going to harm in near future, then through business environment or through environment scanning, we can find out that threat and save our business. Okay, as well as what are the precautions which we have to keep in mind in future. All these are revealed by the business environment. Third is helpful in tapping and assembling resources. There are different types of resources which a businessman has to arrange, okay, or assemble. All these things are useful or easily available if you have good business knowledge. Then help to adjust and adapt with the rapid change. Yes, in previous video we have discussed about that one of the characteristics that business environment is a dynamic means changing rapidly. So whatever changes organization is going to face in near future, all these adjustment are cope up with or dealt with or through the business environment, information of the business environment, and then assisting in planning and policy making. Okay, whatever planning you are making, it is very essential that you should have perfect knowledge of the market. If you don't have any knowledge or information about the market means here market information means business environment, then your policies and planning will be of no use. And improvement in performance, if you want to improve your performance, in that case you will also have the market information or business awareness. Okay, so these were some advantages of business environment. I hope all these things are clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.